Giauni tatubon na ishomi tubesha kede Imusaagon Soroti City West neda koda totor Michael Enyagu nepe kai paupa keiche riongetelo aseo koti kanwebe itungalu aloete kaopia luda abu riongetelo chama kai toluta seurwa nare abuatubon Musa Sekana iteje na ebe kotomo tubeke ebe mame Imusaagon ngoli ekamakina kede chutia kiruna limited MP Jonathan Ebwalo.
The petitioner should have challenged the election of the second respondent immediately after the election when he was gazetted as the winner, and would have used the same argument of wrongful inclusion of the two parishes of Opilaya and Aloit. This court cannot allow them to challenge a duly elected sitting member of parliament out of time stipulated in the Parliamentary Elections Act.
Atakindi datubone be arainwa umokine be haja Enyagu kedeke paupa airekini MP Ebwalo tomo Imusaagon lo amame lope ageunet.
It would not be proper in my view to have joined a person who was not a party to the original proceedings before the Electoral Commission to become parties in an appeal. It is a question of reforming the law to either limit complaints to contesting candidates or to make it mandatory to join the rest of the candidates to the proceedings at the hearing stage.
Abuatubon iruta Imusaagon ngono sodikina temarebe ebuneri ongitelo aseo hai maru ne garamana neja Enyagu nepeka ipaupa ke kotomo Imusaagon ke Solomon Osia neda kotornesi ai kisaro na aseo no ke Andrew Joseph Koluo nesa Abuatubon iteje na raebe mamuchutie jakaitosia abu itacha unu abeito ekaolona ebe kesaje ai Juljuli Sulai kotoma aseta.
Systematically, the petitioner brought out the alleged crossings as the basis for the petition, and yet it does not explain why the rest of the figures on the DRA forms do not change when it was allegedly altered. The petitioner's DRA forms are clearly signed by all his agents at this polling station, and none of them ever indicated that the results at these polling stations were altered or forged as the petitioner contains. The petitioner has not mentioned any single agent who claims that his or her signature on the DRA form was forged.
Kano Imusaagon Soroti City East Abuatubon muai monyo keatan neda alimo kuturingisa dieketebe aponi okoko ikinaenesa seo paran ebe tukuria ni taiga ngitokoke osodikinda ebe akirono akorio na isirigini kachutida kironu aya utajore ne sapoti totoloto akiro ngesa Etube ngono kere Abuatubon mwa ebe ajautu na ajore eraino chama kiti ekisil.
Deployment of security personnel at polling station does not lead to nullification of an election. Mere presence of police and the army is lawful where called upon by lawful authority.
Amamiatan nikokoti konye polo mere mea Soroti City East nesago ikintinesi.
Nara che kirono iteitenga bara nuke mamera no ekisir. Erasi no toso maejaji kwape opinion ke arebonati. Au miteke konye mera toso mikisira. Otomo tubela jai. La jai keja kaitseko. Kote ngalimu nebe. Akirono ejiasi ilosi so kwape pate Aibuga kinikede. Timu lo ngulo ipulida ai rerori mwadao Etube Etolomun otoma haiko tani ngoda kote ngalimu otoma ka buna itepegi no itepegi tida
abuari ko ijauno ka Etube kangol nepekaelel
ilo lera paran na koronga nyaka kinango spibne jaila suban akoronga ishalamikin ekatimu lo ipulida anu kesi ai biakina keteo misho ebe etataunete kesi ai deleleun esabet aropio kede kokotelo itunga lwa poto kwa makisi atutubeteo esabet le kama nara kedaseo
ludo kwa nengure anete kotomo tubele Etolomun la dieket kesijai kinteko tia parasia tomonangon alostai julera Imusaagon ngono koti lo Apolon Godfrey Ojore TV East Soroti.
As at the time of